How to bring a blind pimple to a head. A blind pimple is a swollen, pinkish-reddish bump without a head, a localized, black or whitish central point. The medical term for a blind pimple is a closed comedone, also known as a papule. A comedone lesion forms the same way a regular pimple does, but the pore is clogged and therefore does not have a head. Blind pimples, or comedones, are often very painful because they are caused by such a deep inflammation below the skin. Learning how to treat comedone acne can help you clear up your complexion and feel more confident in your skin. Method 1. Using acne treatments. 1. Apply an exfoliator. Desquamation, or the process of shedding outer skin layers, is an important part of skin rejuvenation. Using a gentle exfoliating agent can help get rid of the dead skin cells clinging to your epidermis, which may help unclog pores and prevent them from re-clogging. If you have normal to oily skin, consider exfoliating once every day or two. If you have drier, more sensitive skin, you may want to limit yourself to exfoliating once or twice each week. There are two categories of exfoliants: mechanical exfoliants, like facial scrubs and cleansing pads, as well as chemical exfoliants, like hydroxy acids. Both are effective at removing dead skin cells and opening up your pores. Many different exfoliating products are available on the market today, but certain types of exfoliants may damage your skin, depending on your skin type. If you're unsure about which products to use, talk to a board-certified dermatologist or another skincare expert about the best exfoliation option for your skin type. 2. Use over-the-counter products. There are many over-the-counter (OTC) products that will help fight acne, including blind pimples. When using OTC products, it's important that you wash the problem areas with a gentle cleanser twice daily, unless your skin is too sensitive to be washed more than once a day. Use just enough acne product to cover the blind pimple and other problem areas on your skin. OTC products typically include one or more of the following ingredients. Benzoyl peroxide kills bacteria, removes dead skin cells and excess oil, and can help unclog pores. May cause dry skin, scaling, and burning, and can bleach hair or clothing. Salicylic acid helps prevent pores from becoming plugged. May cause mild stinging and/or skin irritation. Alpha-hydroxy acids. There are two types of alpha-hydroxy acids commonly found in OTC products: glycolic acid and lactic acid. Both acids are effective at removing dead skin cells, reducing inflammation, and stimulating new skin growth. Sulfur removes dead skin cells and excess oil to prevent pores from clogging and helps kill bacteria on your skin. May cause dry skin and carry an unpleasant odor. 3. Try prescription strength topicals. If OTC acne products do not adequately treat your skin problems, you may need to talk to a dermatologist about prescription strength medications. Topical prescriptions are medications that are applied topically to the external surface of your skin. For best results, wash your skin with a gentle cleanser and dry your face about 15 minutes before using a topical medication. Common prescription strength topicals include one or more of the following ingredients. Retinoids prevent hair follicles from becoming plugged, which can help prevent pimples from forming. Retinoids also reduce inflammation. Start by applying retinoids in the evening 3 times each week, working your way up to daily use as your skin becomes accustomed to the medicine. Antibiotics kill excess bacteria on your skin and reduce redness and inflammation. Topical antibiotics are often combined with benzoyl peroxide to reduce the chances of becoming resistant to the antibiotics. Common antibiotic combinations include clindamycin with benzoyl peroxide, benzaclin, DUAC, and erythromycin with benzoyl peroxide, benzamycin. Dapsone, Axone, kills bacteria and prevents skin pores from becoming clogged. may cause dry or reddish skin. Method 2. Trying home remedies. 1. Use heat or ice therapy. Depending on your skin and the severity of your blind pimple, you may want to consider using heat therapy or ice therapy. A warm compress can dry out a blind pimple and help it drain, while an ice pack can help reduce pain and swelling at the site of the pimple. You may want to use ice for the early stages of a blind pimple. If the pimple gets larger, more inflamed, or more painful, then you may want to use more warm compresses to try to draw out the fluid. You can make a simple warm compress by soaking a clean washcloth in warm to hot water, but be careful not to burn yourself. Apply a warm compress for just a few minutes at a time, but you can repeat the process as often as necessary throughout the day. For ice therapy, apply an ice pack, or wrap ice cubes in a clean towel or washcloth. Apply the cold compress for no more than 10 minutes at a time, up to 4 times each day. 2. Make an apple and honey mask. Apples and honey are thought to be helpful for treating acne, including blind pimples, due to the properties of both ingredients. Apples contain malic acid, which can help make skin firmer and stronger, while honey has antimicrobial properties that can help fight bacteria, which may be the cause of your clogged pores. Blend an apple into a pulp. Then gradually add all natural honey to thicken the pulp until it forms an easily spreadable paste. Apply the paste to your blind pimple and let it stay on for at least 10 minutes. Then wipe or rinse the paste away and wash your skin with a gentle facial wash. 3. Try tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is often used in natural remedies to treat a variety of skin conditions. Applying tea tree oil to a blind pimple may help remove dead skin cells, oil, and dirt that has clogged your pores and reduce inflammation. Use a small amount of oil on the blind pimple 3 times each day. This may work best when combined with other skincare routines, like using exfoliators or a gentle face wash. 4. Apply aloe vera. Aloe vera has long been used to remedy skin ailments, and many people believe that aloe vera may help treat blind pimples. If you're using a store-bought gel, simply apply the aloe vera gel to the affected site. If using your own aloe leaves, break the leaf along the stem and squeeze out some of the plant's gel, like juice. Apply aloe vera directly to the site of the blind pimple, and leave it on for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rinse your face with warm water to clear away your skin.